Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500, and I want to show you something very basic, replacing the wiper blades. So we're just going to come right over here. You can lift up the arm a little bit, not too far obviously, you don't want to mess up your hood. On the bottom, there's like a little squeezy do. Give that a pull, and off it comes. You'll notice you got the hook on the arm here. And that's what this part latches onto. When I squeezed, I pulled on that and it released the lock on the bottom of this. Now we would just do the same to the passenger side and replace the blades. So now it's time for the reinstall. You're gonna lift it up, take it just like this, bring it so the arm sits inside the groove right here, just like that, and then just slide it right on down. You're gonna feel a little click. There it is. Give it a nice little tug. If it slides right back off, obviously the lock's broken and you want to replace the blade. This one's locked in great. There it is. Same for the other side. Down the road you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.